Do you know why we fell into scams? Nagmamadali tayo. We got into things we don't know. Bakit? Nasilaw tayo eh. Uy, pasok ka dito. Magdodoble pera mo. Talaga? Pero yung stock market, in 20 years, yayaman ka. Tagal naman. Gusto ko ngayon. Sige, punta ka sa scam. Mawala buong pera mo. Huwag ka magmadali. Yung mga nagmamadali, natitisod, nasusugatan, nahuhulog. You've got to say, teka muna, the stock market is a place where I invest long-term, and then I'm going to encourage you to have multiple income streams. I hope I change your mindset. The stock market is not a place for you to earn money to put food on the table on a daily basis. That's not the stock market. I'm sorry. Stock market, pangkain. No. Side hustle, yes. Start something, sell something, do something. Yung kita sa side hustle, yun ang ilagay sa stock market. Long term.